Exclusive security camera video from this gas station shows the frightening moments for a mother pumping gas as a man appears to go after her child. At one point, he opens the back door where her second child was.
I can't imagine the fear this woman was experiencing.
It happened just after midnight at a Shell gas station on Delk Road in Marietta. Police identified this man as Jerron Tucker. He approached the car, walks off, but returns. Tucker walks closer to the mother and notices a child jump over to the driver's seat and out of the car. His attention now appears to be on the child.
At that moment, there's no telling what could have happened.
The mother uses a gas pump as a weapon, giving her son time to safely get back into the car. Two witnesses jump in to help.
The actions of the mother and everyone on the scene, their ability to remain calm under pressure and push him away, get him away from the children, get a hold of us so that we can get to the area, allowed us to hold this individual accountable.
The reason this is happening is extremely obvious. Good people have just been too nice. That dude should have received the beating of his life for being like that. Maybe even got shot in the process. Americans aren't prepared. Moms, you should be the most tactically sound and highly trained people in the world. Women, period, in general. Some dude wants to try this. He should either catch the beating of his life or be physically reformed in some way, right? Ventilated, something like this. Evil's not afraid of good anymore. There's laws that let these guys see. I wonder what his rap sheet looks like. I wonder what his rap sheet looks like. And the last lesson is, hey, you guys got to remember the pillars of personal protection, right? Context, where am I going with the risk profile? Tactical positioning, how am I standing in my environment to physically master or see someone coming? Rolling risk assessment, who's in my environment? What's the baseline look like? And have a plan. That's how you move through these. Good job, Mom. Let's do better. Overall, good job, Mom. I hope that the people at the scene rearrange this guy's soul through physical force, and let's create a reality where bad guys fear good guys and don't do things like this in public in broad daylight. Once again, that's a signal of how far our society has fallen. God is good. Protection is more than just a job, it's a lifestyle. Let's go.
Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.